Sir, can I have your license, registration, and insurance card?
I'm recording everything you say.
Welcome back to The Lawyer You Know. We started this video a little bit different with exactly what not to do, but if you've been following this series, you know that we're explaining what your rights are as a citizen when you get pulled over by a law enforcement officer. And today we're going to talk about what the rights are as far as recording the interaction when you get pulled over by the cops. So let's start out now by watching a video of what we think you should do.
Sir, could I have your license, registration, and insurance card?
Yes, I'm just letting you know I'm recording our interaction.
That's fine, sir, as long as you don't obstruct the investigation.
Here's my license.
So to start out, Dad, is it lawful and legal to record your interaction with a law enforcement officer?
It is lawful and legal, but I've got to tell you, this is definitely a generational issue.
Sure.
Because in my generation, we would never think of putting up a camera to take a picture of a police stop. We didn't have it available to us.
Why is it legal?
Well, because it's a public forum. You're out in the open. Anybody walking on the sidewalk, flying in a plane overhead, they could be videoing anything that's going on in public. So it's the same thing. You as the driver of that car have the same right as the person in the sidewalk. And we have seen, recent events have shown us, people are doing these videos on their phones everywhere, all day, all night.
It's a big public policy argument too, because everybody can see what happened. The truth is there on video. You can't twist it. You can't do much with it. But is there a point at which it becomes illegal or you get yourself in trouble by doing certain things like the first video we watched? How does it get to the point where it's now you're not allowed to record the cop and he can do something to stop that recording?
If you're recording him is obstructing justice. If you are obstructing the investigation. For instance, if he's talking to you but you're ignoring him because you're videoing, or he is trying to see if it's your photo that's on the driver's license and you keep the camera up in front of your face, blocking him from seeing your face. Those kinds of things can get you in trouble if, again, you're obstructing his investigation.
Yeah, you're refusing to answer his questions. You're not giving him your license registration because you're just recording him. You're screaming at him, you know, whatever. And then if he's going to make an arrest and you keep doing it, you're resisting arrest. So you can get yourself in trouble by recording. But again, like we say in all of our videos, as long as you're respectful and nice to the officer, you can record it. Most officers won't care if you do record it. It is absolutely lawful and legal, and it actually protects your rights so everybody knows what happens during that interaction. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and learned something about what you can do in these situations. And if you like this video, please like it and subscribe to our page so you can make sure to get all the content we're bringing out to you. And we'll be back with you next time.